XRP to $35,000? Insider confirms SEC loses lawsuit. Ripple XRP SEC lawsuit news and update. The crypto market is quite transparent, especially when it comes to Ripple's XRP. Investors and fans know almost everything that is going on. Everything about the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is on the record, and attorneys like Jeremy Hogan, who have been following the case since the beginning, have been updating us every now and then. This lawsuit is, no doubt, a messy situation for Ripple. It's evident that a lawsuit is going to pull you back from excelling. With all that Ripple's XRP has to offer, its price and value could have reached the moon, and we suppose that this lawsuit is the only thing that has been blocking its way. Up until the last week, we had no idea when the lawsuit was going to end, but a few crypto experts and attorneys have revealed the tentative dates. Hey guys, glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about the recent news that the SEC is on the verge of losing the lawsuit. Oh snap, what happened? Moreover, we will discuss the XRP's price analysis of XRP. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video, shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
Now, 22nd of December was a Black Friday for Ripple and its native token XRP, as they were slapped by a lawsuit by the SEC for selling unregistered securities worth $1.3 billion. According to the SEC original complaint, Christian Larsen, the company's co-founder, and the company's current CEO Brad Garlinghouse raised capital to finance the company's business. They were charged for violating the Section 5 of the Securities Act of 1933. Ripple Labs' response to the allegation was that XRP is not a security, therefore, under no circumstances, it can violate the Securities Act. The decentralized nature of the token adds that it is on the same level as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the other crypto tokens. So if all these other crypto tokens are not being referred to as securities, why is XRP? For what possible reason is the SEC treating Ripple's XRP differently than all other cryptocurrencies? First of all, the SEC was shook by the level of powerful response from Ripple. The SEC has presumed that at the end of the day, they were going to have the upper hand by displaying their handful of proofs and would be able to dictate Ripple Labs, but Ripple just won't let that happen. The lawsuit has been dragged on for a while now. It's been several months and both parties are fighting tooth and nail while there's still no evidence or a solid reason for the SEC to support their case. XRP investors and fans are impatiently waiting for the lawsuit to end that is yet to take place, and the news that the SEC has lost is not yet official. So all that we are saying in this video is just a crypto enthusiastic group predicting when the lawsuit might end and who is going to go home victorious. What we are going to present to you are just tentative predictions, but we assure you we know what we are talking about, and you can 100% rely on them, since the good news is going to be revealed elsewhere by that time. Back when people had no idea about what's going on, the brilliant attorney Jeremy Hogan, who has been following the case since the beginning, kept on updating us about the lawsuit. In an update about the lawsuit on his YouTube channel, the attorney revealed that the SEC lawsuit against Ripple would probably continue until the early next year. Besides being a cryptocurrency expert, attorney Jeremy Hogan is also a partner at Hogan & Hogan. He always has valuable insight for the end of the SEC lawsuit. He has been sharing updates and details about the lawsuit on his YouTube channel as well as all other social media accounts. He said that a settlement between the SEC and Ripple Labs is most likely going to take place after the discovery phase is over, but you never know. The settlement might even take place before the discovery phase. Talking about the discovery phase, you guys might know that it is a pretrial stage during which both the parties, the SEC and Ripple Labs, will be allowed to exhibit relevant information and proofs before the trial gets underway. Settlement before the discovery phase is over seems like quite a challenging task. The disclosure of the discovery phase is most probably going to happen by the end of September, but it could be extended until the mid of October. During the discovery phase, you can expect a summary judgment by the 16th of November to take 30 days. The summary judgment is, under any circumstances, not going to rush up, since their goal is to drag it as long as possible for the sole purpose of making the settlement stronger on the SEC's side, while poor Ripple would still have to walk on a path made of rocks. The SEC would be in shadow as Ripple does not have to contend with the ongoing lawsuits. The tactic of dragging the lawsuit to achieve one's purpose is quite old, but the question is how it is going to affect Ripple now that the SEC just isn't stopping with its games. Jeremy Hogan believes that even if the parties were to settle before or after the discovery phase, there would be discussions on the summary judgment that will ultimately lead to an extension of the case until the early month of 2022. XRP is known to have the potential of leading the crypto soon, and an important thing that works in Ripple's favor is that the court has allowed Ripple's CEO Brad Garlinghouse access to obtain the documents from Binance concerning XRP's transactions. Binance is based in Cayman Islands, and given that the data has to come from overseas, it will prove that XRP's sale took place not in the US and therefore it does not come under the jurisdiction of the SEC. Recently, there were tweets that the SEC wants to extend the discovery phase for 2 months so that they have more time to collect evidence against Ripple Labs. We believe that there is no more evidence because, if there were, the SEC would have already gotten their hands on them, and you can't deny the fact that this is just an outlandish attempt to stop Ripple from skyrocketing. The SEC has been unable to gather the evidence up until today, so what's going to happen even if they get more time? At this point, it is pretty obvious that they are just trying to drag the case as much as possible just to damage Ripple's reputation and business. The SEC has done that before, and who says they aren't doing it now? Moreover, during the previous session while talking to CNBC, the SEC chairperson Gary Gensler said that a lot of crypto assets are considered securities. This is a remark that could bring more cryptocurrencies under the regulators' focus as soon as it is done with this Ripple lawsuit. He furthermore hinted that Ripple could be looking at moving its operations outside the United States because of the lack of regulatory clarity. The company has also been expanding its staff across London and Singapore, but also has onboarded new ODL customers to a company based outside the United States. For a long time, XRP fans have been waiting for the final resolution, but this case is just testing the patience of all those concerned. The SEC was attributed with granting discovery against Ripple's XRP an extension of 60 days in a tweet. Due to the SEC's unlawful movements, after a continuous watch of the judges, they feared a backlash by the court. Thus, they kept an eye on the SEC's irrelevant movements for which it was warned before. The SEC's commissioner responded by saying that while the court judge's opinion might be incorrect, he believes that they could also see this reaction and can drive the same conclusion. 2 of the 5 SEC commissioners believe that the regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies is quite unclear, and they would like to provide a better framework and clarity on how the crypto tokens should work. It is being said that the SEC is working on developing safer norms for crypto transactions. Moreover, they would be able to provide investors with safety and security they need. On the plus side, we think that it is a good thing that the SEC is taking cryptocurrencies seriously and is working on providing better regulation. Even in the midst of the ongoing lawsuit, Ripple has managed to grow at exponential rates now that they are aware of the SEC's actual purpose of inflicting pain and fear upon them. The fact that a lot of big companies and corporations are investing in cryptocurrencies means that there's something extraordinary about the cryptocurrency markets. We can sense that something huge is being planned for the markets, which is why all the companies are optimistic about its growth. XRP is holding just above the pivot point at $0.772 at the moment, and it looks like buyers are getting ready to give the 80 cents level another go. A break past this can see buyers face resistance at $0.849, after which it can go over the 90 cents mark soon as long as the positive sentiment holds. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about the lawsuit. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.